Okay guys, this is the last video of the week for me. I'm clocking off. I just wanted to go through this actually because it's such a nice clean entry on USD JPY. Regardless of the fact it was NFP, it's very clean. And the reason why I say that is because although we're coming down here, right, on the 4 hour, making lower highs, lower lows, whatever, okay? When you look at the daily, we're certainly in an uptrend, right? So we come down into this daily support level here, which is 146 key level. This is more of a retracement over a couple of days, so you can trade this, right? Because price is coming up, come down, coming up, come down. But ultimately on the higher time frame, and by that I mean the daily, obviously, the next sort of big rejection area is here, right? So it got rejected quite aggressively yesterday, right? Comes back down, takes another dip at this, wake up this morning, and this is through the night, okay? So there's 3-4 hour candles which are closing and opening and closing right next to each other, okay? So when you then go down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that although these highs are not taken out here, we are rejecting this area. So you can draw another support level here. I don't know why that's so green, but whatever. So we've got this sort of double bottom formation, right, on 1 hour time frame. So we're still quite high in terms of time frame. We've purged down here 4 o'clock last night, and we started slowly creeping up. So if we put on Asian session, right, we've done nothing in Asian session apart from consolidate, whatever. Once this high is taken out, we got high, 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 low, high, high. What we would ideally do is there's two options here, right? So number one, you can take the breakout. We got 40 pip because this was a swing trade idea. I just put the I put the TP around 8 RC because if you're looking up a little bit higher, we'll come up to these highs and fill these areas up here, right? Back down to the 1 hour, and yeah, we've got this kind of breakout, okay? So we've got this breakout here, it's very tight. Maybe that would look a little bit better on the 30-minute. Yeah, not quite. I suppose this would kind of be it here. We're breaking above these highs. Regardless, when we come back down, okay, I've seen this happening, and I was thinking to myself about entering. I thought, right, that this is pretty picturesque now. It's quite perfect, very clean. Now the idea would be to enter here, okay? So we see this area, okay? So on the 4 hour, it's a consolidation, an accumulation, okay? This 4 hour here has actually broken the highs. If you look very closely, look at the way the wicks are moving up, okay? So liquidity grab, high, 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 explosion, right? And this is the so this would have been the last 30 minutes of the 4 hour candle, which is 1:30 when NFP hit, okay? So out, back down, retest, and then this candle here, right? This candle here, this bullish facing candle, that is a new support. That's the creation of a new support. It's a 1 hour candle. Again, look at the wicks, okay? So again, go back to here, low, high, 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 okay? We come down to the 1 hour, we've broken out, we've come back down, retracement, collect some more orders, then we've got a high, 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 explosion. Now, if you get this in the right period of day, it doesn't matter if NFP is on or not. This is the method that I'm trying to teach you. So go through the videos again and again and again, and there's plenty there for you this week, guys. That's for sure. There's so much information in there. I've got some more planned, but yeah, I'm just going to take the weekend off. It's my birthday tomorrow, 41 years young. So yeah, have a good weekend then, guys, and I'll see you next week.